Hoy. Nindot tagtingog si Mami, no? Nindot tagtingog si Mami? Nindot tagtingog, Mami? Talented si Mami? Go! Listen to my song. Ayaw kong mot-motis mong naong. Aham! Okay. Listen, sa may kantahan ni mo tong si Morissette, kanang pang masakit na ay, kuan, reggae? Country road. Please take me home to the place. Sabot sing gibati. I belong West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
Ayaw,
Please please take me home. Country road. I hear the boys in the morning. Ay, giganahan siya sa akong tingog. I love you. Ni mo paninglon ako ni dapat magtuon ka ba nako. Okay? The local government code unit. There are natures and rules and officers and officials and duties including their liabilities. Understand? Okay, corporate powers. So what are the corporate powers? Unsa? Tubag ako. To have continuous successions in its corporations. Ay, kung katawa-katawa, kay mag-ural taon niya. To sue and to be sued. Okay? Makasuhan og ay, kung katawa-katawa Okay, to have and use the corporate seal. Kabalo ka unsa ng corporate seal? Very good. Kay kabalo ka. To acquire and convey real or personal properties. To enter into contracts and to exercise such as other powers as the granted corporation subject to the limitation provided in this and the other laws. Paminaw kay nagkawan nimo, mag-oral ta. Walay regalo kundi ka katubag. Kasabot? Okay, first, to have continuous success. Paminaw. To sue and to be sued. As a corporate body, the local government must have the power to sue and to be sued. Otherwise, it cannot securely enter into the transactions in the performance of its functions. Paminaw. Paminaw. Mag-ural ta. Paminaw. Mag-ural ta. Nagkawan nimo. Kung dili ka mga tubag, wala kay regalo gikan ni Mami. Nakasabot? Paminaw. Kay dili lang ako ang mabuang ani nga kurso.